Are ulcers kicking your butt? That burning, gnawing pain in your gut can really take the joy out of eating. But what if I told you there are some simple foods that can help heal those ulcers naturally? No more popping pills, just some tasty, healthy eats. Hello, people, and welcome back to Vitality Plus, where we talk about the amazing benefits of food and how eating the right ones can boost your health. Number 1, cabbage. Now, I know it's not the most exciting of veggies, but this green powerhouse is a secret weapon against ulcers. It's loaded with a compound called sulforaphane that can actually kill off the bacteria that cause most ulcers. Plus, cabbage has glutamine, an amino acid that helps repair the stomach lining. So, how do you get more cabbage in your diet? Throw it in a smoothie. Trust me, it works. Or use cabbage leaves instead of taco shells for a crunchy, low-carb taco night. You can even just sauté it up with a little garlic and olive oil. Easy way to sneak in some gut-healing goodness. Number 2, yogurt. The probiotics in this creamy treat help restore the balance of good bacteria in your gut. That's crucial, because an overgrowth of bad bacteria like H. pylori is a major cause of ulcers. Yogurt is also packed with protein to help rebuild your stomach lining. Try starting your day with a yogurt parfait. Layer it with fruit and granola for a tasty breakfast. Or use it to make a cool, refreshing tzatziki sauce for dipping veggies or spreading on sandwiches. You can even make frozen yogurt bark for a guilt-free sweet treat. Number 3, broccoli. This green veggie is loaded with sulforaphane, the same compound that makes cabbage so good for ulcers. Broccoli also has vitamins C and K, which are essential for immune function and bone health. Plus, the fiber helps keep your digestive system running smoothly. Broccoli is super versatile. Try it in a stir-fry, mixed into mac and cheese, or roasted with Parmesan for a crispy, flavorful snack. Doesn't matter how you eat it, just make sure you're getting 1 to 2 cups a few times a week. Number 4, honey. This golden nectar has antibacterial properties that can actually kill off H. pylori. Plus, honey helps stimulate the production of protective mucus in your stomach. Not a bad trade-off for a little natural sweetness. Drizzle honey over your oatmeal or yogurt in the morning. Use it to glaze chicken or pork for dinner. Or whip up a batch of homemade honey lemonade. Just be sure to stick to 1 to 2 tablespoons per day to get the benefits without overdoing the sugar. Number 5, garlic. Garlic is another ulcer-fighting all-star. This pungent veggie has strong antimicrobial properties that can inhibit the growth of H. pylori. Garlic also boosts your immune system to help your body fight off infections. Mince up some garlic and toss it in your salad dressings or pasta sauces. Roast whole garlic bulbs and spread the sweet caramelized cloves on bread. Or if you're feeling adventurous, rub a raw garlic clove on toast for a vampire-repelling snack. Number 6, aloe vera and licorice root. Finally, let's talk about 2 more natural remedies. Aloe vera and licorice root. Aloe vera is packed with compounds that can soothe inflammation and promote healing in the stomach. Try blending it into a smoothie or making popsicles for a refreshing treat. As for licorice root, it contains a compound called glycyrrhizin that can help increase mucus production to protect your stomach lining. Just be careful with licorice. Too much can cause side effects. So stick to 400 to 500 mg per day of the deglycyrrhizinated or DGL form. And that's it for today, guys. By adding these 7 ulcer-fighting foods to your diet, you can take control of your gut health and say goodbye to that painful burning for good. Your stomach will thank you, and so will the rest of your body. So next time you hit the grocery store, load up on the cabbage, yogurt, broccoli, and more. Your gut and your taste buds will be glad you did. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments if you have any other natural remedies for stomach ulcers and what benefits you have experienced. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.